Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some good old curry chicken. So this is a whole chicken that I have in my bowl right there, and what I do, I cut it up. So these are all of my seasoning. I have 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. Okay, so I'm gonna use 2 spoonful of curry powder. So these are all of my herbs. Here I have half of onion, some spring onions, 3 cloves of garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper, I cut it at least 3 times, some fresh thyme, pimento seed, and I'm also gonna add just a small amount of ginger, okay? So now I'm just gonna season my chicken, and guys, as you can see, I remove the skin of my chicken. You can leave it on, but I rather to remove it. So what I'm doing now, as you can see, I'm just blending all of my seasoning together. Just make sure it is all combined, okay? So I'm just gonna take my hands and just sprinkle all that seasoning all over on my chicken, okay? So I'm just gonna add at least 1 spoonful of vegetable oil to my chicken so it is nice and moist. Then I'm just gonna take my hands, you can always use a gloves, and just massage all that seasoning all over on my chicken. Just make sure everything is all coated, okay? Because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. So just make sure it is coated properly. So now that my chicken is all seasoning, now I'm gonna add my curry powder to it. And then you just use your hand, guys, and just mix it all in. And as I said, you can always use a gloves. So that's how your chicken is supposed to look after you add your curry powder. Nice and yellow, so that's perfect. So guys, make sure you cut your chicken in small pieces, okay? Because you don't want your chicken to be too big. Because traditionally, when we're doing curry chicken, it normally cuts small. So after I add my curry powder, now I'm gonna add my herbs. And guys, I'm not gonna add all of my herbs, but I'm gonna add most of it, okay? So stay tuned. So that's the amount of herb that I left back. So now I'm just gonna take my hands and just mix all that herbs all over on my chicken. And guys, may I tell you, it is so strong. All that herbs, the curry powder, may I tell you, it smells good. So you can always leave your chicken to marinate for at least 1 hour. or even overnight for a better result. Or if you're in a rush, just cook it straight away. So now I'm gonna cook my chicken. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 4 spoonfuls of vegetable oil, and now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of curry powder because I'm gonna brown my curry powder, okay? Just make sure your stove is on a medium heat, okay? So now I'm just gonna mix it all in, and I'm just gonna leave it, guys, just for a couple seconds. So just to get the flavor going, I'm just gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, okay? Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my chicken. Make sure, guys, you space it all out, okay? So guys, make sure you leave back some of your herbs in your bowl, okay? So now I'm just gonna take my large spoon and just mix it all in. And guys, may I tell you, it smells so good. I wish you guys could be in my house right now. May I tell you, the curry powder is so strong. So guys, I'm just gonna leave it like that for at least 4 minutes, okay? So all that flavor will combine together. And you can also cover your pot, okay? Just make sure your stove is on a low to medium heat. So guys, the bowl that I use to season up my chicken, that's my bowl right there with all my herbs. So now I'm just gonna add at least 1 cup of water to my bowl. And I'm just gonna add the water to my chicken, guys. Add your water to the side, okay? So I'm just gonna allow my chicken, guys, to cook for at least 20 minutes, okay? So I'm also gonna cover my pot. So just after 20 minutes, that's what my curry chicken looks like. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna add my remaining herbs that left, okay? And I'm also gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm gonna add 1 carrot and 1 potato. So guys, you can always taste your liking, okay? And the reason why I add the potato is because the potato is gonna thicken up the gravy, so that's why. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes and it is finished. So now I'm adding my salt. And guys, you just want to mix it, okay? So everything is all combined. So after 10 minutes, guys, that's what my curry chicken look like. I may tell you, it smells so good and it look absolutely delicious. As you can see, the gravy is nicely thick. It looks so rich. May I tell you guys, this recipe right here is a must try. Please share this video to your families, to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can receive more delicious videos like these. And guys, please turn on your notification button so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to see it, okay? So this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add some spring onion just to garnish it. So now guys, I'm just gonna plate up my curry chicken and I'm gonna serve it with some boiled dumpling, some green banana, and some soft yam. You can serve it with rice and peas, plain rice, mashed potato, whatever you prefer. So my curry chicken is all plated up and that's what it looks like. It looks so good. It is just mouth watering. May I tell you guys, just look at that plate. Trust me, all you need is just some salad and you're good to go. So guys, you know, before I left, I have to taste some of it. I may tell you, it is so delicious. Trust me, the curry chicken is nice and tender and juicy. Oh my gosh, you have to try this recipe. It is absolutely delicious. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Don't forget to keep laughing and keep smiling no matter what, cause God is always on your side. Bye guys, stay blessed, love ya.